What is the difference between a fuse box and a breaker panel? You might have heard the terminology used interchangeably, and you just want to be 100% sure that you know what they're talking about here. And you know what this comes down to? Basically, both are the same thing. They act as the same thing for you. In the olden days, we used to use fuses, and you would have a fuse panel, but now you have a breaker box because we use a more modern version. So I've got some examples for you here. Here's a modern breaker, and it would be on unless there was a problem like an overcurrent situation, and it would trip out. And then we would just reset it once it cooled down. That's how these things work. Back in the olden times, this thing is the equivalent of the cameras with the big flash that was disposable, and you had to screw a new light bulb on there every time you needed to use the flash on your camera. That's what fuses are. Fuses are like that old school approach. It's a one-time use thing. If you have an overcurrent situation in a fuse panel, you blow the fuse and you have to physically remove it, throw it in the garbage, and replace it with a fuse of similar ampacity. So fuse panel, breaker box, it's the same thing, but it's just a terminology thing. Likely you'll be hearing a lot less and less about fuses these days, and it's really all about breaker panels. I hope you found this information helpful.